In this lecture we are going to look at the menu bar. Okay, so if you look at the menu bar, you can clearly see that this is our menu bar. From file to help, these are all our menu bars. So first of all we will look at file. So in file you have a bunch of different options so that you can create a new file. You can open that one. You have save as option, save option, you can export this one. You have the plot setup, and all these things are available in file. Now let's look at edit. So edit, you have a bunch of different options of, you can see undo, you can undo that one, redo, cut, copy paste, select all, and locking, and all these different features are available in edit. Now let's move ahead and look at the view. So on view you have the option of construction grid display. You can control the grid line, element snap, and we have these snapping options here. Element in 3D view, how we are going to look that one, structural analysis model. Okay, and the option of that one here in the view. Now if you go to design, obviously in design we have these options available on this architectural tool. We have also the structural and engineering tool available, and MVP tool available for these. And also you can have a bunch of different option of modifying and all these things designing. So this menu is related with the design. Now let's look at the document. So in document you have these options available. You can see you can have a graphical override, so you can have these plans, you can have schedules, you have listing extras, drawings, so you can control annotations, so you can control all these things from here. So basically it is for the layout drawing. Okay, as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and look at the options. So if you look at option, you can have these options. So here you can see that we have some sort of specific options that is available. We have work environment, and all these details are here. So now let's look at the teamwork. In teamwork right now most of the options are grayed out. Okay, so here you have send and receive. You can see you can send changes. You have receive versus changes. What will happen if I just simply click on any of these, and if you go to teamwork now, even after that you're going to see a window like this. So these options are grayed out because we have not set up our project. Okay, so these are some of the things that you will get. So basically teamwork is used to create let's say we are working in a team, my partner is working on the same project, so that we can share these things. Now let's look at the windows. So in window we have these options available. You can navigate to stories and all these things from here. You can close tab project, you can close all tabs and projects, so you can enter full screen mode. So all these things you can control it from here, as you can see from here. And in help you have this documentation help, whether you want the documentation help of the PDF, or you want the online resources just like from these ArchiCAD downloads and YouTube. You can also look at all these things. So this is for the menu bar.